In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a custom field ID in Jira. If you're managing projects on Jira, you might encounter situations where you need to identify the custom field ID for various operations or integrations. Understanding how to quickly locate this information can streamline your workflow, and that's exactly what we're diving into today. First, let's head over to the Jira settings area. Typically, you'll recognize this as the gear icon in the upper corner of your screen. Clicking on this icon will open a menu where we need to find and select issues. This section is your gateway to managing and customizing various aspects of your Jira environment. Once you've navigated to the Issues section, glance over to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, under the Fields category, you'll see the option Custom Fields. Clicking on this will bring you to a list of all the custom fields that have been created in your Jira project. This area effectively acts as a directory, allowing you to review and manage fields tailored to your project's needs. Now, in this list of custom fields, take a moment to find the specific field for which you need the ID. Depending on how many custom fields you're working with, you might need to scroll through a bit, but it's crucial to identify the right one here, as this determines the field whose ID you'll be retrieving. After you've located your field of interest, look to the right side of that particular field's entry in the list. You'll notice a More option represented by 3 dots. Clicking on this will expand a menu with several options. From here, you'll want to select Edit Details. At this stage, you're almost there. The next step is to look at the URL in your browser when you're on the Edit Details page for your custom field. Within the URL, you'll notice a segment formatted as IDE followed by a number. This number is what you're here for, notably the custom field ID. It's typically not prominently displayed, but by examining the URL closely, you will find it without any trouble. Remember, this custom field ID is an essential identifier in Jira. It can come in handy for API calls, scripting, or integrations where a precise reference to the field is necessary. Getting accustomed to locating this ID quickly will save you time and enhance your ability to manage your projects effectively. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily find the custom field ID in Jira whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with more Jira tips and tricks.